This is a question that you would typically see on an examination paper. Find the mean of the following numbers: 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Let's move on to the next slide to look at the solution. In the top left corner of this slide, you can see I've repeated the question. Now, the solution to this can be achieved by remembering this formula here. The mean will equal the total divided by the number of values. And we'll explain what these are as the solution unfolds. Now, the total of the five numbers is the 10 plus the 15 plus the 20, carrying on plus the 25, and finally plus 30. And of course, this equals 100. Now, the number of values we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write down that n is equal to 5. Therefore, m, the mean, is equal to t divided by n. We worked out t to be 100 and n to be 5. Consequently, we know m is the mean, and this will give us 20, because 100 divided by 5 is 20.